All right, welcome back to lesson 1.3. In this lesson, we're going to be learning the key tools and basic functions that are going to make life so much easier using LinkedIn. All right, let's begin. So, we're already familiar with the home page, and now we're looking at how to start a post. Okay, this might even be your very first post. Maybe you're new to LinkedIn or you're new to posting your insights and content on the platform. And to do that, you're gonna that posting capability is found right here on your homepage. It's right at the very top. You'll see the red arrow. Start a post. All right, so that's what we're gonna click, and then we're gonna get a pop-up box. Okay, that pop-up box will appear, and this is where you're going to type your thoughts. Okay, remember to use good formatting, check for spelling, check for spelling mistakes before you press the post button. All right. um so there are other types of posts as well. So in the first box on the upper left hand corner, if you wanted to post a different type of post, right? Publish a different type of post, you're going to click on that plus sign, and that's when you're going to see opportunities to maybe you want to add a video. Okay, so uploading a video from your computer. Maybe you want to add a photo. Maybe you want to create an event, whether that's a virtual event or an in person event. All of those things are right there. Okay, that's going to expand the menu of items. Other things that you can do might be celebrating an occasion, or maybe you got a new job opportunity, or maybe you completed a training course or reached a career milestone. All those types of things that you might want to share with your audience. There are different types of posts that will help you do that in a better way. All right. So just click that plus button. The menu of items of different types of posts will expand. And there you go. All right. So I'm going to encourage you not only to post and share your ideas on social media, but after you make that post, make sure you're carving a few minutes out every day or maybe every other day to comment, to reply to the people that have commented on your posts. Okay. So in this example, I'm sharing, hey, you know what? We just had this big seminar and I was awarded the Gabriel Media 2025 Trailblazer Award. And then I went into a narrative explaining that, um, why I was awarded that award. All right. And then people started commenting, congratulations, Rich, congratulations, great job, blah, 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 this and that, right? So now what I want to do is go back and thank them or answer their questions or basically just get that conversation going because they reached out, they took time out of their day to comment. So make sure that you take time out of your day to reply. All right. Let's say you want to write a long form article. Okay. You want to share more insights or strategies, tips, tricks, best of. All right. More than information, more that, where am I? Information that would be more than a short form post. Okay. So you want to create a long form article. So from the homepage, you're going to see start a post in the right hand corner. You're going to see another button to write that article. So if you click on that, you'll then be prompted to, who's publishing the article. Now, if you don't operate or manage any organization pages or brand pages. Like you can see on the screen, I have my personal profile, but I also manage a couple different organizations. I have a business page. I also manage a nonprofit organization page. Okay, I've got a couple different pages. So, in the event that you're like me and you have other business pages that are connected to your personal profile, then LinkedIn's going to prompt you and say, "Hey, where's this article going?" But if you only have your personal profile, then you'll probably skip this step. All right. But what you're going to do to write that article, so after you've decided where it's going, then there's going to be some necessary steps as far as choosing the title. You're going to have to upload an image. You don't necessarily have to, but it is recommended that you upload that visually appealing or captivating image that's going to grab people's attention. You're of course going to want to have a captivating title, something that is going to again capture the reader's attention, let them know why they should click into the article and hear what it is that you have to say. All right. So, those are some easy tools that are going to make life helpful for you using LinkedIn. And in the next training, we've wrapped up module one, all the different lessons within module one. In the next lesson, we're going to move into module two, and that's all about optimizing your profile. Okay. So I will see you in module two. Talk to you soon. Thanks and be excellent.